YNAB follows a zero-based budgeting method where every dollar is assigned a job, making it ideal for users who want to proactively plan their spending. It offers robust tools for goal setting, debt payoff, and real-time syncing across devices. YNAB stands out for its educational resources and hands-on approach, but comes with a steeper learning curve. It is subscription-based with no free version and is best suited for users committed to managing finances in detail. Goodbudget, on the other hand, uses the envelope budgeting method, dividing your money into virtual envelopes for different categories. Unlike YNAB, it is not focused on real-time bank syncing. Users manually input their transactions, which can be a pro or con depending on your preference. It offers a free tier with limited envelopes and a paid version with more features. Goodbudget is great for couples and those who prefer a manual, traditional style of budgeting. Spendee takes a more visual and spending-focused approach. It automatically syncs with bank accounts in many countries and presents data in colorful charts and graphs. Spendee is user-friendly and supports shared wallets, making it ideal for families or groups. While it has some budgeting features, it's more about tracking and visualizing expenses than strict planning. It offers both free and premium plans. In summary, YNAB is best for detail-oriented planners. Goodbudget is ideal for envelope method fans who prefer manual tracking, and Spendee suits those who want a more visual, automatic overview of their spending habits.